Just Yaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to discuss with you a problem, and the problem is that fear of speaking in English in front of the public. So this is a very common problem faced by every English learner because many peoples, most of the peoples have enough knowledge about English. They understand in English every single words they can understand, but when it comes to speak, so they hesitate. They feel low confidence. Okay, so how can we get rid of these types of problem? So in today's video I'm going to discuss with you this problem, which kind of fear you have, and what should we do to remove these types of fear. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so topic is that fear of speaking in English in front of the public. Okay, I know you have a great knowledge about English. You know tenses, you know some modal verbs, you know grammar. Okay, which is useful to speak in English, but when it comes to speak, so you hesitate, you feel low confidence. Why? So there are many reasons. Okay, so the very first reason that I'm going to share with you in this video is that, you know, negativity. Okay, negativity means you are always thinking about negative thing. If I do many types of mistake in front of the public, if I will never complete my sentence in English, if I fumble, so what other people thinks about me? They laughed, they laugh at my English, they mock of me. So because of this negativity that you have made in your mind already, so because of this negativity you are not going to speak in English. Okay, you are always, there are many questions running in your mind. Will I able to complete my sentence? Will I do many types of mistakes? Will I not complete, my vocabulary? Will I forget words while speaking English? So what happened? Nothing will happen. Okay, if you do mistakes while speaking English, so no one can put you in the jail. Okay, you are a learner, you are a beginner, so always think positive. Think, okay, if I do mistakes, so don't worry, I will complete my sentence after 2 or 3 days. Because mistakes, if I do mistake, that means I am learning this language. Because I am learning new skill, new thing. Okay, and mistakes are our best friend. You need to embrace your mistakes. Okay, and make sure the mistakes that you have done before, make sure don't do that mistake in your second or third time. So mistakes, you are your best friend. Okay, so think, always positive, think, don't think negative. So this is the very first reason behind your problem. Okay, so the next reason is that, you know you are taking this language as a, very big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay, it's a language, it's a simple language, just like your native language. Okay, so think about think about that. And how did you learn your native language? How did you learn? Okay, are you were you go any school at that time when you were in the age of 4 or 5? No, you were not. Were you go any institute to learn your native language? No, but you learned your mother tongue. How is it possible? Because you observed many times. Okay, and then you started to copy them. That means your mother, father, sister, elder brother, elders, and then you started to speak in your broken native language. and that time you had not developed any kind of ego, so you were not ashamed of making mistakes. But now in today time, in a career time, you have developed your ego. So because of this ego, you are thinking negative thing. You are always taking that I have not I should not do any type of mistakes. It's not possible because you are learning something though, so it's very natural to do mistakes. Okay, and why are you thinking that someone laugh at my English? No one can laugh at your English. Okay, he or she don't know about the importance of this language. Okay, so think always positive thing, and just learn this language, just take this language as a language, not more than. Okay, um because you are a beginner, you are a learner, or it's a secondary language, it's not your native language. Okay, and take this language as your native language. So it takes time to learn this language. Okay, after 3 or 4 years, when you was born, so after 3 or 4 years you can easily express your thoughts, okay, in your native language, because you heard it, you copied it, and you had not developed any type of ego, and you were not ashamed of making mistakes. So use the same principle for learning this language. Okay, so consider yourself as a kid and start to learn this language. Okay, uh, here is an example. Okay, if you have not watched my first video, so you can go and watch my first video. So this this was the first video that I had I spoke in English in a first time. Okay, I had not spoken in English before this channel. Okay, first time I spoke in English through this channel. So if I can, then why you can't? I have not and develop any kind of ego. I have not, because I want to learn this language. I want to learn this language anyhow. Okay, so if I can, then why you can't? So this is the second reason. Okay, so first thing is that think positive. Second thing is that take this language as a language, not more than enough. Okay, and the third thing is that practice. Okay, if you want to learn this language, if you have a desire to learn this language, so you have to give practice. You have to do practice each and every day. Practice is a vast key. Okay, and if you use this key in order to be fluent, then you can easily be fluent in English. Okay, so do practice each and every day. Okay, now let's talk about another reason that you have. You are thinking that I am from Hindi medium school, so yeah, I am not from English medium school, so that's why I am not able to speak in English. That's why I have a fear, okay, to speak in English in front of the public. Okay, if talk about myself, okay, I have done my whole education throughout Hindi medium school, and I had not spoken in English before making this channel. First time I spoke in English through this channel. Okay, so if I can, then why you can't? It's not a proper excuse. It's not a genuine excuse that I am not from English medium, so that's why I am not able to speak in English. That's why I have a hesitation to speak in front of the public. No, it's not good for you. You need to change your mentality. Okay, if I can, then why you can't? Okay, so these are some reason. So because of these reason, you are not going to speak in English. You have a fear to speak in English in front of the public. So you need to reduce your fear. Reduce your fear by applying these suggestion. Now let's talk about what you need to do to overcome these types of problem. You have to do practice each and every day. consistency is very important. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, if I talk about myself, I have been starting my journey 10 years 10 months ago, and you can see there is a improvement. Okay, there is a improvement. I can speak in English whatever comes in my mind. Okay, so I can speak in English. I am not saying that now I am perfect. Perfection is the last thing. Okay, you need to improve yourself day by day. You need to improve, for which you need to do practice each and every day. You can watch my video, my initial video. I have not skipped a single day. Okay, if I talk about 1 or 2 days, so it's very urgent work. So consistency is very important. You have to consistent, okay, for this language, to learn this language. So this is the main key: practice and consistency. Now, so these are some points. If you will follow, if you follow my suggestion, even if you follow one of my suggestion, so you can easily overcome your problem, like fear of speaking English. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And if you have some suggestion to remove these types of problem, so you can write on my comment section, so that others can easily be benefit, for your okay, from your suggestion. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, just yara.